Good morning, boys and girls. For today's math, we're going to begin with the group champions. Champions, for today's math lesson, you're going to be able to identify correct coins, count by twos, and solve three-digit addition problems. Let's focus on number one. Number one wants us to write the number of each Roman numeral. Here we have a few Roman numerals, so all we have to do is write the correct number. Let's start off with this one. This Roman numeral is 6. This one, what do you think this one is? Which Roman numeral is this? What number is that? Good job. 4. Alright, let's go over here. What number is that? I know X is 10. But this is something before the X. That's one before the X. What number would that be? 9. Good job. And what about this one? If V is 5, it has 3 afterward. What do you think that one is? That is 8. So, good job. Now let's focus on number 2. Number 2 wants you to write the sums, and just in case, watch for the carrying. We're doing an excellent job of that. But let's focus on number 3. Number 3 wants us to match the measurements. All right, here I wrote a few on the board that we're going to work with. So I wrote 1 minute, 1 pound, and 1 yard. You have to match it with the correct measurement far as 16 ounces, 3 feet, and 60 seconds. So let's begin with 1 minute. Now, 1 minute, is that 16 ounces, 3 feet, or 60 seconds when we're trying to find 1 minute? What does that equal to? 60 seconds. So you'll draw the line. And then let's work on 1 pound together. 1 pound, is that 16 ounces or 3 feet? What do you think? 16 ounces. And then what's left is 3 feet. And yes, that is correct. 1 yard equals to 3 feet. So when you're working with number 3, just make sure you take your time with each measurement. Now let's focus on number 4. Number 4 wants us to circle 87 cents. Alright, so it asks us for number 4 to circle circle 87 cents. Here we have some quarters, we have a few dimes, we have a nickel, and a few pennies. Alright, so you can choose any amount, but I'm going to start off with the biggest amount, which is a quarter. So that's 25, 50, 75. So far I had 75. Now I need 87. I'm going to add it down to it. 85. Now that's 85. I need 87. Let me throw a few pennies in there. 85, 86, 87. There we go. 87 cents. 25, 50, 75, 85, 86, 87. Now, as we flip the page over to 336, let's read. It says, you started first grade last fall and are almost ready for second grade. It definitely does apply to you. You almost ready for second grade. Actually, you are ready for second grade. Now, you're going to find your way to second grade room by counting by twos. You're going to start at 2 and color numbers in order. So, look at the number 2 on the chart, okay? You're going to count by twos, all right? The next number must be touching the box of the last number, okay? So, you'll start at 2 and make your way all the way up to 100, okay? And you can use a color, any color that you choose. It's easier for you. You can use yellow, you can use blue, but I like yellow. That's one of my favorite colors. All right, so start at 2, and you have to touch these out. You have to make up to number 100. And also, read that poem about summertime promise.